people are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Jason. Pleasantly surprised I wasn't swarmed by salespeople. The staff were pleasant and all seemed eager to help. The general manager was genuine with me and my son, and Renzo was very accommodating. Next up is Ian. No nonsense and friendly. I appreciated their good nature, patience, and knowledge of their product. And here's Denise. Pleasant, polite, and respectful. Love coming here to get my vehicle serviced. Thank you. Always awesome. Finally, here's RJ. Sunset Ford has always been professional, courteous, and responsive to our requests when servicing our truck.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.